students, in last lecture illustration number 6 is completed. Today now next start illustration number 7. Okay, textbook page number 25, illustration number 7. A frequency distribution of monthly income of 500 person is as under. Okay, 500 person monthly income is given. Obtain less than type and more than type cumulative frequency distribution. In last lecture, find the less than more than type cumulative frequency distribution. But in illustration 6, data is discrete data is grouped. And illustration 7, continuous frequency distribution. Continuous data. So first of all, heading write down less than type cumulative frequency distribution. Less than type cumulative frequency distribution. So here monthly income 25 to 30 and last 55 to 60. This classes and number of person frequency. In last lecture you are already clear that 25 to 30, 30 to 35 means in this class involves 25 to 25. Why? So more than or equal to 25 and less than 30. 30 is not involved. 30 involved in succeeding class. So here less than type cumulative frequency distribution means each and every class upper limit and first class lower limit factor. So two column draw it. Monthly income less than upper boundary point. So your first column heading write down monthly income less than upper boundary point, each and every class upper boundary point and first class lower boundary point, only for less than. Okay, monthly income of less than upper boundary point, only less than, not a less than or equal to. Why? So 30 is not involved. 30 involved in succeeding class, 35 involved in succeeding class, not including in that class. So here write down only for less than x. Okay. Now in second column, writing cumulative frequency denoted by CF. Frequency is denoted by bracket CF. Okay. So first class lower limit is 25 and last class is upper limit is 60. So you write down all less than 25, less than 30, less than 35, less than 40, less than 45, less than 50, less than 55, and last less than 60. Only for less than, not all equal. Okay, less than 25 frequency. So check in your table. First class is given to 25 to 30 between observation number of person is given. Monthly income between 25,000 to 30,000 between number of person is 30. But less than 25, zero, null set. Okay, number of person is 0. 25 to 30 between is 30%. But below 25,000 salary, monthly income is 0. So less than 25 cumulative frequency is 0. Done. Now next, less than 30. So less than 30, 25 to 30,000 between monthly income, number of person is 30. 30% having income is 25,000 to 30. So less than 30, number of person is 30. Next, less than 35. Less than 35 means 25 to 30 between person, also less than 35. So 80. 30 plus 80. Okay. Now next, less than 40,000 monthly income is 30 plus 80 plus 100. 30 plus 80 plus 100. Less than 45, number of person 30 plus 80 plus 100 and plus 40 to 45,000 between monthly income is 50%, also including in all person less than 45,000 monthly. Next, less than 50, 30 plus 80 plus 100 plus 50 plus 45 to 50,000 between number of person is 150, also included. Next, less than 55, 30 plus 80 plus 100 plus 50 plus 150 plus 50 to 55,000 between monthly income, number of person is 80. And last, less than 60,000 monthly income, all the person 30 plus 80 plus 100 plus 50 plus 150 plus 80 plus 55,000 to 60,000 between monthly income, number of person is 10. Now next, find the answer. Less than 25, cumulative frequency 0. Less than 30, cumulative frequency 30. Less than 35, frequency, cumulative frequency 30 plus 80, 110. Less than 40, 30 plus 80 plus 100, total 210 cumulative frequency. Less than 45, 30 plus 80 plus 100 plus 50, total 260% having salary less than 45,000. Less than 50, 30 plus 80 plus 100 plus 50 plus 150, 410. Next, less than 55, 30 plus 80 plus 100 plus 50 plus 150 plus 80, 490. And less than 60, 30 plus 80 plus 100 plus 50 plus 150 plus 80 plus 10, 500. It means always less than type cumulative frequency distribution is given. First value is 0 and last value is our total number of frequency. This observation is completed for less than type. Next, find more than type cumulative frequency distribution. More than type frequency distribution. So same to same line, two column rate. First column, write down monthly income more than or equal to lower boundary point. More than or equal to, why? So 25 to 30, 35 to 40, 40 to 45. It means more than means each and every class lower limit and last class upper limit. 25 including in 25 to 30, 30 including in 30 to 35. It means more than or equal. So your first column heading right now, monthly income more than or equal to lower boundary point. More than or equal to lower boundary point, greater than or equal to x denominator. More than or equal to greater. The second column reading cumulative frequency. Okay, second cumulative frequency. Is denoted by CF. Okay. Greater than or equal to lower boundary point. It means data as it is 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. More than or equal to 25. Okay, monthly income more than or equal to 25. Number of person. So total all person monthly income is about 25,000. All 500 person including this way. So write down in sequence 30 plus 80 plus 100 plus 50 plus 150 plus 80 and plus 10. All person monthly income more than 25,000. Means all person 500 including that one. Next, more than or equal to 30,000 monthly. So 25 to 30 is a less than 30. So not involved. First value cut. Now next first pick all the values write down. 80 plus 100 plus 50 plus 150 plus 80 plus 10. Now next, more than or equal to 35. 80% salary person monthly income between 30 to 35. Not equal, more than 35. The remaining all value 100 plus 50 plus 150 plus 80 plus 10. Okay. Next, monthly income more than 40,000. So 100% having monthly salary 35 to 40, not income more than 40. 100 cut. 50 plus 150 plus 80 plus 10. Now next, more than 45. So 50% having monthly salary 40 to 45,000. So not equal. Next value 150 plus 80 plus 10. Next more than 50. So first value more than 55, so 55 to 60 between, having 10%. And more than 60,000 salary, none of person, 0. It means more than type cumulative frequency distribution, first value is the total frequency and last value is the 0. So check it here total. First, total 500 person having salary more than 25,000. More than 30 number of person 470. Check it total. More than 35 monthly income 390%. More than 40 monthly income number of person 190. More than 45 240% in salary more than 45. More than 50, so 90% in salary more than 50. More than 55, so 10% having monthly income is more than 55. And more than 60 monthly income is 0. Clear? That is less than and more than type cumulative frequency distribution. We are completed for the illustration 7. Okay, next in illustration number 8. The frequency distribution of daily demand of room at an international hotel during 90 days is under 90 days related. Okay, demand of room of an international hotel related information is given. 15 less than type and more than type cumulative frequency distribution from it. Less than and more than type frequency distribution in find out. In previous illustration, check it. Class is exclusive. Each and every class, lower limit and upper limit, both are equal, same. 25 to 30, 30 to 35. But here, demand of rooms, classes is not the same. Lower limit and previous class upper limit, both are means inclusive classes here given. So first of all, convert to exclusive classes. 1 to 50, 51 to 100. It means which in every class, lower limit 0.5 less and upper limit 0.5 add. Why? So class is given to 1 to 50, 51 to 100. So difference check it 1 and 1 by 2.5. Minus 0.5 for each and every class lower limit and plus 0.5 each and every class upper. Clear? Difference is 1 by 2.5 less 0.5 add. Okay, continue. So data is available. So first of all, direct less than and more than type cumulative frequency distribution, right? And another, first of all, inclusive exclusive classes, so and then after using less than and more than. First of all, write exclusive frequency distribution. exclusive continuous frequency distribution. Exclusive continuous frequency distribution. Exclusive continuous frequency distribution. So in the table for 0.5 less each and every class for lower limit in 0.5 at upper limit for each and every class. So first of all, two data, demand of rooms and number of days is given. Demand of room and number of days. So demand of room in your question given to 1 to 150. So 1 minus 0.5. Now first plus 0.5. 2 50 plus 0.5. 50.5. And number of days is not changed as it is 10. Next class 51 to 100. 0.5 less 3.5 to 100 plus 0.5. 100.5. Next class 101 to 150. Oh, 101 minus 0.5. 100.5 minus 151 plus 0.5. 151.5. Okay, frequency as 20 and 30 respectively. Next class 151 to 200. So lower limit 0.5 less 151.5 to 200.5, upper limit 0.5, and frequency 18 days. Next 201 to 250. 200.5 to 250.5. Number of days is 12. And then after total frequency n is equal to 9. Why? In your question given already, number of last 9 days related data is given. Done. This is exclusive continuous frequency distribution. Now next, find the less than and more than type cumulative frequency distribution. Next, write down less than type cumulative frequency distribution. Heading write down. Less than type cumulative frequency distribution. Same to same. Here demands of room. So demands of room less than upper boundary point. Two column drawing. In first column heading, demand of room less than upper boundary point, only for less than. The symbol is usually denoted by less than x. Second column, cumulative frequency is denoted by CF. So you check it. Each and every class upper limit and first class lower limit. Okay. So you write down less than x is less than 0.5 demand of room. Next, 50.5. Next 100.5. Next 151.5. Next 200.5 and last 250.5. Here, each and every class upper limit and first class lower limit means reverse L. Okay? Then less than upper boundary point. So less than 0.5 demands of room 0. 1 to 50 between number of days is 10. But less than 0.5 demand of room is null sign 0. Yeah, right now 0. Next, less than 50.5. So 10 days demand is less than 50.5. Why? So 0.5 to 50.5 between number of days is 10. Less than 50.5 demands of is 10 days. Next, less than 100.5. So 50.5 to 100.5 between number of days is 20. So 10 plus 20 total 30 days demand of rooms less than 10 100.5. 10 plus 20 total 30 days having demand less than 100.5. Next 151.5. So 10 plus 20 plus 30. 10 plus 20 plus 30 less than 200.5. 151.5 to 200.5. 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 80. 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 80. And last 250.5. So all days less than 250.5. 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 18 plus 12. Okay? Using Gaussian total, check it. First, less than 0.5. So 0 days. Less than 50.5. Demand is 10 days. Less than 100.5. 10 plus 20. Demand is 30 days. Less than 151.5. 10 plus 20 plus 30. 60 days demand less than 151.5. 200.5. 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 80. 78 days. And last 250.5. 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 18 plus 12. 90 days. Done. Less than last value is 90, first value is 0. Now next, more than type cumulative frequency distribution recurrence. So more than type cumulative frequency distribution. Same to same toward table, right? Okay. More than means demand of rooms less than or equal to lower one. Less than or equal to lower one. Each and every class lower limit in large class upper limit means L side. Every every class lower limit, last class upper limit. Okay, write down greater than or equal to next second power. Cumulative frequency means CF. Value as it is, not change. Every class lower limit, last class upper limit. So greater than or equal to value is not change. Write down as it is 0.5. Next 50.5. Next 100.5. Next 151.5. Next 200.5 and last 250.5. Okay. And every class lower limit, last class upper limit means L. Cumulative frequency. Demand is more than 0.5 number of days. All days demand is above 1 demand of 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 18 plus 12. All days demand more than or equal to 0.5. Next, demand is more than or equal to 50.5. So 0 to 50.5. Okay, 0.5 to 50.5 between 10 days is not equal. Above means more than or equal to 50.5 demand is 20 plus 30 plus 18 plus 12. Next, more than or equal to 100.5. 20 plus 30 plus 18 plus 12. Next, 151.5. 30 cut 18 plus 12. More than 200.5. First 80 values got 12 and more than demand is 250.5. Null set number of days is 0. Check it total 10, 20, 30, 18, 12. Total 90 days. Now next 10 plus 30 plus 18 plus 12. 80 days. 30 plus 18 plus 12. 60. 60 days. 18 plus 12. Total 30 days. Next 12. And last is 0. So I complete a table for the more than type cumulative frequency distribution and complete the Ellis number.